We've now come to the end of our AutoCAD Essentials course, and I really do hope you've enjoyed the course and the content of the course. I'm hoping now that you are a much more competent AutoCAD user, and the content of this course has empowered you to move forward and start looking at other courses available in the library. You can never stop learning enough about AutoCAD. It's a very complex product, and there's a lot of features and functionality in there that allow you to generate some really professional looking drawings. So I do hope you've enjoyed the course. I do hope that you've taken a lot of knowledge from the course and that you can take it into your workplace and into your organization and assist others with that knowledge that you've gained as well. I'm also hoping that it will allow you to become better at your job and also work harder, smarter and faster with AutoCAD as well. So as I've said, I hope you enjoyed the course. It's been a pleasure having your company, and please do check out the other AutoCAD courses in the library.